Hi friends, welcome to SS Stock Alerts channel. In this video, we will talk about the pivot point analysis. Go to analysis here and price and volume, and you can see pivot analysis here. Just click on it. So using the why the pivot point analysis important. Using the pivot point analysis, we can get the stocks for swing trading like 1 to 5 days, or if you are a positional player like 1 to 3 weeks or 6 weeks or 2 months, you can use that also. Or if you're a long-term investor, then you can look for the based on higher time frames, right? So for a swing for a swing trades 1 to 1 week, you can use daily. But if you're a positional, you can go to weekly. But if you're going for a long, you can go for the monthly time frame. So based on your time frames, the stock selection will be there. So for now, I am selecting the daily time frame. So I will select for the stocks for this week, like 1 to 5 days. So my time frame is I'm selecting daily. So this pivot point, what it will try to get is whenever we are selecting daily time frame, the stocks which are closing the higher time frames, like higher time frame, higher pivot points, then only we will get these stocks. Okay, here what I'm selecting daily, and my pivot type is classic, and stocks should be crosses above. It should not be above there, it should be crosses above the pivot point, and I'm selecting pivot. Like there are support and resistance all are there, but for now I am going to select the pivot and select the sector whichever you want. And for now I am selecting the Nifty 500 stocks and analyze, and we will get the list from server. And this is the list we got for today. But this analysis you will get, this will be changed based on the data. So it no need to be only 3, it can be based on 10, 20, any number, right? For today, these 3 are validated, like these 3 came across from our analysis scans. So if you go to the IPK lab, and we will see how it is there. And just click on IPK lab, and you can see in the right side chart, and the last day it has given 4% move, and Atul also has given 3% move, and PA and it is just 0.74. And the pivot point is, if you see the pivot point, last pivot point where it has crosses, the pivot point is 2192, it has crossed to 2234. So it has given almost some 30 points move, 30 to 40 points move. And here also it is a 6250, and here you can see 6290. And how you can draw in the pivot points here is directly go here and show pivot points, right? If you have seen these pivot points, and like whenever you are working on a daily, the pivot point what you are seeing here is higher level, that is like a monthly. So when you change the time to either weekly or monthly, the next time the next pivot point will be shown based on the yearly. So there will be, that is the, so here if you see the stock, it was trading above the pivot point for some days. Suddenly it has given breakdown, but the buyers just jump in and closed above the pivot point. Let me show you the same chart in the Jiroda, so that we can see exactly what is happening. So what is the class now? IP Calab, right? Okay, IP Calab, and I'm just getting it. Okay, so if you see this is, I'm selecting daily time frame. So my pivot points are, you can see this is a pivot, and this is R1, and this is a S1, and in the top S R2 and bottom S2 will be there. But for us, the main thing is, recently we have did a back testing. Whenever a stock crossing the daily time frame, crossing weekly pivot, this is a weekly pivot, like this is a monthly pivot, and whenever this is causing monthly pivot above it, and it is giving good results. Let us check whether anywhere in this chart we have given. So here this is a one entry, and let me just select any. Okay, here one entry there, and just come across. So here there is no entry, and here if you see there is a entry, because stock is closing above the pivot point. and another here one entry is there, and calm down, and here another entry is there, right? So let us just understand how much percentage it has given. So see, whenever stock comes below and it is crossing above the pivot point, it has given from here to here. That means the pivot point is 2087, but the high is 24, like 400 move it has given in the last time, right? And we can go to this, and this pivot is 19970, and it has given almost to 2268, 68, right? 2268. So almost 200 move, 200 points move it has given there. And let us check here. Here, if we see the, suppose our entry is at 1582, but you can see it has moved to till 1855. So it is reliable, right? And this is for swing trades. So if we have using these swing trades, right, if you have entered here 1 2 3 4 5 6, at least within 1 to 5 days you should exit, and you could see much profit here. And same thing here, some 5 days only, it has moved to 2088 from the 2050, almost 60 point. But if you have wait for another 1 week, you could get the another 100 points more. But that is up to you. uh, Basically this pivot point technique you can use for 1 week to 2 weeks max, but don't hold more than that unless you see a good price action. Here there is no good price action, because if you see long wicks are present, like whenever it went to top, here it started with the long wick, so it is just warning to the user there is a selling pressure. But if you see the next candle also, there is a inverted hammer, and this is a confirmation just for it is going to be reversal in the next candles. And if you see all the candles just came down, and again it, like the buyers pushed it here, but since the again the selling pressure is there, it just came down. So the good indication, if the price want to go to higher, right, there should not be any top wicks and body should be the longer. So the longer spread it is there, the longer strength. uh, so this is how you can use the daily time frame stocks. But if you want to use the higher time frame, you can go for the higher time frame here, pivot analysis, and select the weekly. So when you are selecting weekly, it will challenge us to the yearly time frame pivot. So let me click on analyze. uh, it will get the some list of stocks. Okay, let me select any one. So since it is 86 rupees, I will not select it, and go to ropa and just see how it is there. Okay, and change it to your weekly time frame, so that you can see, like since we have selected time frame on weekly, here also in the chart we need to select the weekly time frame. So see, here is our entry, and how many days it is there from the bottom. And if you see, this is from January 3rd, and on January it went down, and till total this year it spent below the yearly pivot. Just now, like it is just cross above the this one. And as earlier, let us spot how many times it has done and what is the return we can expect. Here once, and there is no entry here, and there is no entry here, and see here there is an entry, and let us go, and here there is an entry. Okay, we have got the three entries right now. And okay, let us check it how. Okay, this is the entry, and we can easily expect the next pivot. If you are in the pivot, so next pivot will be our target, so easily we can get it. The 324 is our immediate target. For long term we can use the 450. So this is our long term target, but for now the intermediate target is this is the one. And another thing is, if you see this, just it is trading around the previous swing point high, and if it is able to close just 1 or 2 points above this point, definitely it can reach the 324, because see the price action, this is a higher high last point, and it is challenging the last higher high point. So if it is close above it, the trend will change on the weekly time frame. If you want to same thing, we can see in our charts also. Let us, okay, change it to weekly time frame, right? And click on the resistance support. See, this is our previous swing, and it is challenging this one and closed above the here, but we are seeing a long wick for the selling resistance. If the price will hover around here, but definitely it can reach the next high is like here. So if you want to see the resistance, see the next resistance is 349. Even in the pivot points also we have seen that is 324, and so this is the higher resistance, we can see that. So using this, you can get the stocks either for positional, or you can get the stocks for swing trades. So based on the time selection what we are doing, it will be your stocks will be based on that. Either you can use the Camarilla type or a classic type. So that's all guys. Hope this pivot point analysis will helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.